Hello, if you're here, you probably just started YouTube and you just basically want to find out what happens at the end of 6 months. Well, you're in the right place. So let's dig in. This is Dropping Gems. I want to thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today's video is going to be focusing on my first 6 months on YouTube. Yeah, my first 6 months on YouTube, I'm just going to give you guys an update on what to expect and so forth. So I'm going to show you the overall stats of the channel, and I'm going to break down for the past what for the past 28 days. I'm also going to get into at least one or two of my best performing videos so you guys can see exactly what it is. My niche is focused around entrepreneurship, making money online, centered around Amazon KDP, eBay, and YouTube as well. I intend to make this platform. I intend to make this platform a business platform, basically share what I've learned over the years and what I'm going to learn over the next few years with you guys. So I've logged in, and as you can see here, 6 months. I'm going to show you the day I made my first upload. Okay, so far I have 51 videos so far, and my first upload was on, let's see here, on 23rd of July. So probably when you're seeing this, it might be around 20 seconds, so it's basically 6 months. Alright? Not fully 6 months, but July, August, September, October, November, July, August. Yeah, about 6 months since I decided to join the platform. So I have 51 videos here. Alright? And as you can see on my dashboard, last 6 months I was able to accomplish, I was able to gain approximately 154 subscribers. As you can see, I've gained 27 subscribers in the past 28 days, and I was able to accomplish 10,000 views. Now, when starting out, I'm going to show you guys. I'm not going to say it, I'm going to show you guys. I think that's even better. Let's go into my analysis. Alright. When I started out, as you can see here, my views, they were just like two, sometime one. I remember here is when I posted a, what's it called, a Amazon short video, and it hit 137 views, and then it came down back, and I think this hurt my channel a bit. So I want to advise you guys to post something that's going to hit, and then it's not going to be continually consistent, because it can hurt you. As you can see here, it went back down to 4 views, 1 view a day, 3 views a day, and that sort of thing, until I started getting roughly about 9 views a day, 133 views a day, 51 views a day. I went as high as 322 views. And this happened after I posted a video that I won't say went viral, but it did do well. And then around this part right here, I was in the hospital. I'd given birth to my daughter, so I couldn't post for this entire period, but it still went well. But then it decided to come down because I haven't posted basically for the month, so it affected my compound effect, as I would like to call it. I think of YouTube as a compounding effect, because once you upload one video and it does pretty well, it kind of, after some time, it basically adds up. If that makes any sense, not adds up. It basically the compounding effect basically sets in. And what a compounding effect basically is, after a period of time you renew something, it basically becomes more and more and more and more like a snowball effect, and it adds up basically, if that makes any sense. Alright, that's the best way of trying to explain it. So this has been my views. I've hit 10,000 views, as I mentioned before. I'm also almost at 11,000 reviews. As you scroll down here, they show your top videos that have had views for the past 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours. They also show you latest update and your top videos in the period. These are my top videos, and I'm going to basically get into each one of them to basically show you what has been happening, at least for the first three. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, so let's, before that, here's my watch time. This is my lifetime watch time so far, and my subscribers over that time. Now, when I just started out, it was just one every other day, sometimes none, and then one. And then I hit 9 in one day, and that's from one video. I know there are persons posting videos like how to get 100 subscribers fast. You can get 100 subscribers fast when you post a video that does pretty well. Then it happens. If you don't post a video that does pretty well, you will not hit that 100 subscribers. If you hear my baby in the background, please forgive me. Alright, so I uploaded a video and it did pretty well, and I hit 9, and ever since then I've been having subscribers more consistently since then. I'm now going to reach how many persons and impressions over these past 6 months I've gained. So as you can see here, I've gained 96,000 impressions. I have a click-through rate of 5.2%. I have 10,000 views, and well, they don't upload information for new viewers. Really, they don't. Alright, now we scroll down. Browser features are where most of my search is coming from. Then there's YouTube search. And then there's suggested videos, my playlists, and other 40%. My traffic from external sources, where it's coming from. Traffic sources and suggested videos. Basically, if a video, one of these videos show, I basically pop up after and my trending keywords and my trending key terms. I'm going to go into engagement. I'm just showing you guys basically everything to expect. Some persons will do better than this, some persons won't. I know persons who just started and they well past 7,000 subscribers. I'm not sure how. If you guys are out there, please comment and teach me one or two things so I can learn and be like you guys. But I'm so thankful. These are my key moments of audience retention. There are some that are high, there are some that aren't that high. So I made a video about audience retention and how to basically keep it at least 50%. Yeah. So let's go into my average video duration is around 5 minutes, which is pretty good. Alright, so on the highest you've gotten was 11 minutes, 10 minutes. And lastly, my audience. Ooh, most of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you're there, you're seeing this, please subscribe. And my subscribe rate is 1.9%. So you see, most of the persons who view my content, they're not subscribed to the channel, which I think basically happens for everyone. But you know, if you're seeing this, you can still subscribe. This is where most of my views are coming from, age range on my views. Okay, sorry. Alright, so yes, let's go back to overview. So that's basically it. I'm not going to go into my monetization tab to show you guys how far along I am, because it basically speaks for itself. You need to have 1,000 subscribers, and you also need to have 4,000 watch hours. So I only have 904 and I only have 154 subscribers, so it's not much, but I'm getting there. Advice, when you're getting started, don't do it for fun. If it's something that's a hobby for you, do it for the like of it. Don't do it with expectations. expectations because you won't see much of that until probably 3 years after. Some persons a year, some persons 6 months. You don't know how long, but just keep trying until you hit that one video. It just takes one video for your entire channel to go viral. So just keep trying, keep posting, keep motivated. If you're watching this, my subscribers, please subscribe and keep me motivated so I can post more videos like this. When I get to 1 year, I can update you guys on what my channel looks like after 1 year. This makes me excited because never in a million years I thought I'll be able to create content that people would actually watch and garnish so much. So as much as it looks little, it means a lot. Alright, so this is my 6 months update on joining the YouTube platform. I'm going to go into one of my videos that went viral, I should say, and that gave me basically my first 100 subscribers, and it's still giving me my 100 subscribers. Alright, so this is one of my videos that went viral, I should say, to an extent. It gave me a lot of subscribers, and I have consistent views on a daily basis. So I made this video about my KDP for, I think it was the first month that I joined Amazon KDP, and as you can see, my views are 4.1 thousand. My watch time is 195, and my subscribers are 84. So since published. Alright, so this is information that's basically being shown since it was published. Let me see if I can have information from since it was uploaded, but I think it's pretty much the same thing. As you can see, this is my subscribers throughout the time. I'm still gaining subscribers from the day I posted these videos until now, even though it's not every day. I'm still gaining subscribers. And let me show you my impressions over the few months that I've posted this video. 34,000 impressions and my click-through rate is 8.4. So this was a very popular video. So I'm telling you guys, it only takes one video for you to go viral and let you get your first 100 subscribers. I don't care what persons are saying out there, how to do this and how to do that with your first 100 subscribers. I started this channel with basically 0 subscribers. 0. And this, I started getting subscribers every day and I was shocked because it's like, I'm hardly getting views. Other persons are subscribing and every week I got a subscriber. And after then, it just hit off with this video and I got like 50 subscribers in like a few weeks. So yeah, you can get a lot of subscribers, but you just need that one video. It just takes one video. Don't listen to anyone else that is out there saying and preaching and saying this and you need to do that. And you have to have your friends to watch you, say watch time, you have to do this. If you want to do those things, you can. But perfecting one video, the editing, the title, the description is very much important. Your tags are very much important. Your thumbnail is very much important. And having those things on point, it's basically going to have you hit what you're trying to get. I want to show you a second video. It's not a popular, but I have some more views on it. This is the second video that I uploaded that did a bit well. It didn't hit 1,000 views or 4,000 views like the previous one, but it did pretty well. And I was actually amazed that this video did so well. So I gained 5+ subscribers from this video, but you know, it's better than having nothing. Alright, my retention is just 18%, which is not much, and I wished that it was at 50, but oh well. So those are my two videos, basically depicting how many subscribers I got from them and what did pretty well. So I hope this video is an encouragement to someone out there who's starting the YouTube platform and you're not sure how to go about basically starting. If you'll get any views, you will have views, it just will take a time. you are going to have subscribers, which will take a time. But please don't give up. Continue to be persistent. Continue to upload if it's once a week. I upload 3 times a week, or 3 times a week. Do your best to upload as often as you can. And just join me on the platform. And as I go along, I'm going to continue to update you guys. And as I change stuff, I will change it so that you guys can see and understand. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe because the subscriptions are needed for me to be motivated. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a safe day and continue to be safe. Bye.